Good morning, my name is Eric, and today I would like to introduce our new Wi-Fi fiber inspector. The fiber inspector is used to test the cable connectors. It supports 4 inspector probe in default. This one already installed in the protector is for 2.5 micrometer ferrules like FC, SC, or ST. And this connector supports LC. And this one is for LC bulkhead adapter. And this one is for SC, is for LC bulkhead. Okay. Now I turn on the inspector. Press this button for around 3 seconds. Okay. Now we use your cell phone, your smartphone, to connect to the inspector. We find Wi-Fi setting here, and find the name Wi-Fi imaging. This one. The first time you maybe input a password, but don't worry, the password will be printed on our user manual. When you received the inspector, you will see the password. It's okay now. And now we need to go to the Apple Store or Android on Google Play Store. You will find the software. The software name is Wi-Fi imaging. Wi-Fi imaging. Okay, my connection is not very good, but I already download and installed in my phone. Here, Wi-Fi imaging. Open the Wi-Fi imaging, and now we can use we test the SC connector first. Okay, we see the imaging clearly, and now we maybe screw this wheel to make imaging more clearly. Okay, it's good enough now. Okay, it's good enough now. Maybe you want to save the imaging. You just press this button. Oh, this one. Press this first button. The first button is for the imaging. Press this one. Okay, save success. And we can go to the folder to see we saved just now. This one, this is the imaging, the picture we saved just now. And maybe you also change its name. Don't worry, you may see some Chinese AdWords, but no worries. When you installed in your cell phone, your smartphone, the language will be your local language. Don't worry. Okay, now we want to take a video. So we press this button and press this button to start the video. Okay, we maybe okay, stop the video and go to the file to see the video. Okay, this is the video we record just now. Also, you can change the name or save or send it to others by email or your something else. It is no problems. Okay, this is the SC mail, but sometimes maybe you want to test the SC mail with the bulker head. You need to change the adapter. Change to this one. Okay. And we plug into the bulker head. We need to change the view position to make the picture see clearly. Okay. Okay, you also can save the image or record a video. Let's see the LC connector. Okay. Okay, you see. It is very clearly now. You can see that. And for the bulker head, the LC bulker head, we need to change. And plug into the bulker head. It is clearly now. You may need to change some positions, but anyway, we can see it now clearly. Okay, maybe someone ask it is very hard to change the adapters, but in most situations, you just test one same connector, but you mark about many the same connectors like this, and I change back into the okay. Maybe you want to see these connectors one by one. You just make one folder successfully. Okay, it was dirty, clearly, clearly, but a little dirty. Let me clean it by this one-click cleaner. Okay, clearly. Okay, good. Okay. Oh, try. Okay, clearly. The first one is very dirty. Oh, which one? This one. Oh, this one is very dirty, so. Okay, clearly. So it is very easy to test the same connector time. If you want to test others, it is also okay just to change the probes. Okay, we also have the other probes. This 4 is in default. If you need others, you need to contact our sales. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.